short story? A short story is one of the simplest forms of literature, but it holds extraordinary power. Why simple? Because short stories are usually brief, focused, and involve only a few characters. But don't be fooled. It's precisely in this simplicity that a short story can touch the heart and mind of its reader. What is a short story? A short story is a narrative designed to be read concisely. Its length typically ranges from 1,000 to 7,500 words, so it doesn't take up much time. However, despite its brevity, a short story can provide a deeply emotional experience. Its purpose: a short story aims to entertain, make the reader think, or even convey a moral message. Every detail in a short story, from description to dialogue, is concise and meaningful. Imagine this. If a novel is like a large painting full of details, a short story is like a quick sketch that captures the essence of the story. Characteristic of a short story. What makes short stories so special? Here are some key features. First, one main focus. A short story focuses on a single event or conflict. There are no complex subplots like in novels. Second, limited characters. A short story usually has one or two main characters. This means these characters must be developed and compelling. The third, concise plot. The story gets straight to the point. There's no space for long explanation or irrelevant details. Fourth, strong emotional effect. Every short story aims to create a specific atmosphere or emotion, whether it's sadness, fear, or joy. Last, unexpected ending. Short stories often end with a twist or leave a lingering question. This is what makes them memorable. Structure of a short story. Like any other story, a short story follows a structure, but because it's shorter, everything feels more intense. First, exposition. The beginning introduces the background of the story, who the characters are, where it takes place, and what the conflict is. Second, pressing action. Tension starts to build, the main conflict is relevant, and the reader becomes curious about what will happen next. The third, climax. The peak of the story. This is where the most dramatic event happens. Fourth, falling action. Tension starts to subside, and the reader sees the consequence of the climax. And the last, resolution. The ending where the story is concluded or perhaps left open-ended to make the reader think. Genre of short stories. Short stories come in various genres, making them appealing to everyone. Some popular genre includes: first, realistic fiction, stories that depict everyday life. Second, fantasy, imaginative world with magical elements. The third, science fiction, exploring futuristic idea or technology. Fourth, horror, designed to make the reader feel afraid. 5. Mystery, about puzzle or investigations. 6. Romance, focusing on love relationship. And the last, historical fiction, set in the past with accurate historical details. Famous short story authors. Short stories have been around for a long time, and some authors have become legends because of their works. Edgar Allan Poe, a master of mystery and horror, such as in The Telltale Heart. Guy de Maupassant, a French writer more famous for irony like in The Necklace. Anton Chekhov, a Russian short story writer known for realistic and human stories. O. Henry, a master of twice ending, like in The Gift of the Magi. Flannery O'Connor, an American writer who explores Gothic themes and morality. Why study short stories? Short stories are a reflection of life, often depicting human problems like love loss or struggles. By reading short stories, we can both empty and better understand others' perspective. They also provide an excellent way to practicing writing. Short stories encourage focusing on conscious storytelling. Additionally, short stories challenge readers to think critically by conferring hidden themes and moral lessons. Tips for writing short stories. If you want to try writing a short story, dive straight into the conflict and focus on a single idea to keep the narrative clear and engaging. Use dialogue and action to show emotion and create atmosphere instead of explaining them directly. Consider adding an expected ending to leave the reader surprised or thoughtful. Finally, revisit your story multiple times to polish and enhance its impact. Example of short stories related to this topic. The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry, 1905. The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry tells the story of Della and Jim, a young poor couple who love each other deeply. They each sacrifice something precious to buy a meaningful gift for the others, only to find their gift unusable due to their mutual sacrifices. The irony at the end highlights the depth of their love, making this short story a memorable example of selfless affection and life's unexpected twist. Analysis. The Gift of the Magi focuses on the theme of sacrificial love, emphasizing the willingness of both main characters to give up something precious for their partner's happiness. With only two main characters, the story is concise yet emotionally powerful. The narrative goes straight to the heart of their sacrifice and concludes with an ironic twist that leaves lasting impressions. This unexpected ending aligns with the characteristic of short stories that often challenge readers' perspective and evoke profound emotional response. Relating to the material, the story exemplifies the genre and form of short stories by using irony as a storytelling technique. It focuses on one main theme, has limited characters, and a concise plot that moves directly to the story's climax. The unexpected ending highlights the essence of short stories, offering meaningful lessons about love and sacrifice while demonstrating how brevity can still convey deep moral messages.